Our second objective is to write fractions in lowest terms. So looking back at the previous sheet, you'll remember that fractions are like if they represent the same amount of stuff, but a fraction that uses the smallest numerator and denominator possible is considered to be a fraction in lowest terms, as opposed to this one that is in higher terms. Okay, or in highest, not highest, you could cut that into a lot smaller pieces, but that's a higher term fraction, and we can change it into this fraction and still be representing the same amount. So to look at how we do that with math, what we're asking ourselves is there a number of pieces out of this that could be combined into the same number of pieces that can be down here? I'm not sure how much longer my pizza analogy is going to hold. What I'm saying, in other words, is that 12 is really 3 times 4, and 20 is 5 times 4. And if you remember back to this picture again, 4/4 is just another way of saying 1, or the whole pizza. So this 4/4 right here becomes a giant number 1. Hope that shows up enough for you. So 12/20 could be reduced to 3/5. Looking at 9/27, we get 9 times 1 and 9 times 3. Our 9/9 is another version of a giant 1. So those 9's go away. 9 slices out of a 27th slice pizza is the same thing as 1 slice out of a 3-slice pizza of the same size. The last one looks a little more threatening just because the numbers are large, but the process is still the same. Because this number ends in 5 and this one in 0, I know that both of these numbers are multiples of 5. So even though I don't know times tables up to 105 or up to 250, I know that I can take a 5 out of both of these, and that those 5's are going to become my 1's. And then I just have to ask myself, well, how many times did 5 fit in there? Well, 5 would fit into 100 20 times, so it's going to fit into 105 21 times. And 5 goes into 250 50 times. Now these numbers still look pretty big, but if I go a little farther, 21, the only thing that I can break 21 up into is a 3 times a 7, and 3 doesn't fit into 50, and either does 7. So 21/50 is going to be my final answer for that.